Welcome to my channel. I am here to show you how to make this look. Kung gusto niyo malaman yung mga techniques na ginawa ko and then yung mga products na ginamit ko, just keep on watching. Okay, first, I am going to prime my face using NYX Angel Veil Primer. Lagyan lang natin siya dun sa mga parts na, you know, parang sobrang kita yung mga pores. For brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Express for brows and eyes. Shade Blonde. Gamitin ko yung wax dito. The brush. Gamitin ko siya para ma-fill in yung mga parts at saka lagyan ko rin siya ng shade. Ito yung outer part and this one, the lighter shade, is for the inner part. Set my eyelid. LA Pro Concealer in shade Creamy Beige. Tingin na siya. Then after that, yung madami, lalagay ko muna dito. Then concealer brush para spread out lang siya. I'm going to use NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I'm going to set our brows kasi may mga hairs ako mahaba. So now I'm going to use Jacqueline's collaboration with Morphe and yun nga yung The Vault. So this one has 4 eyeshadows. Gagamitin kong eye palette is Dark Magic and Arm & Gorgeous. Top of the excess, yes. Okay, and then just put it right there. Wait lang, baka nag-quiz-quiz na siya. So, kailangan ayusin pagkalagay mo. Yung shade na ish. Okay, so kayo dyan. Armed and Gorgeous. And kukunin ko yung smooth criminal. This one. Put it together with the other shade na nilagay mo, pero medyo mas mababa lang. Gagamitin ko itong brush na to. This one is brown. Yung pinaka-tip lang yung lalagyan natin. Let's dip into potion. Hindi ko lang siya dito, together with the other one. Yung medyo closer siya dun sa brown. Parang i-blend siya. Para seamless siya tingnan, di ba? Medyo baba naman tong potion. Okay, I'm going to use inside job. Ito lang, gamit yung smaller brush. Nakatip lang din. Then, put it on the side. After that, ididip ko siya sa trigger. I'm going to use Morphe Gel Liner Inject. I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay. This is in the shade Warm Sun. I like this because meron siyang flat side, something like this. This one you can use for foundation and this one concealer or powder, it's up to you. So I'm going to use again LA Pro Concealer. And for us to set, I am going to use this Too Faced Peach Perfect. This one is mattifying loose powder infused with peach and sweet fig cream. Going to contour our face. Now I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer. This one is from Benefit. And then I will contour my nose. Actually start here dun sa brow. Ko-connect ko siya. Then drawing ka lang ng line. I am going to use this brush. Mix it together with the contour. This one is again from Morphe. Ito yung rose gold collection nila. And this one going to highlight my face. Stunner! And this is from Tarte. From BECCA. And then, ang shade niya ay opal. I'm going to use my ring finger. I put it on my nose. There, yung dot. If you can see. And then, here. Upper lip. Get a small brush and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. Morphe. This one is a lip liner. And then I'm going to use... What shade is this? This is in Bite Me. So there. I'm gonna outline my lips first. This one is one of my favorite lipstick ever. Still yung tatak niya. So this one is from AUSTRALIS. Makeup Finishing Spritz. You have to pat this down para mag-melt sa mukha mo. Hindi lang basta spray ka lang. I am going to use Benefit Bare Real Mascara.